Hi everyone, my name is Reem. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about a wonderful strategy to make more money on Redbubble.com. And by this strategy, you can precede any trends before they actually happen on Redbubble. And you can also dominate any sub-niche or micro-niche you want. Thus, you ensure greater sales opportunities. In addition, in this video, I will provide you with some awesome tools that would help you in that strategy at least time and at least effort. So keep watching this video and don't skip any part of it because I am sure this video has a great value for you. However, before I cut to the chase, I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others. And now let's have a look on Redbubble. And here on Redbubble.com, you can find some trends that are like this one. It is distracted by horses, distracted by dogs, it is distracted by books, and so on. And this trend started with a certain quote, like it was easily distracted by cats. So people started to search for some alternatives to the cat's word and by something else that actually distracts them, like is distracted by horses, is distracted by pigs, is distracted by cows, and so on. Okay, so here you can replace this main word that was cats by another thing or by another hobby or animal or something else. Okay, and here you can expect what will be new and what people will search for. So you will be the first one that make designs about these alternatives by using the main root of this quote or this trend. Is it distracted by horses? Is distracted by coffee? Is distracted by yoga? Is distracted by Pernesi dog, and so on and so forth. Okay, I will give you an example. Like this trend, this famous trend, eat, sleep, something, repeat. You can just replace this word something by another word regarding sports like yoga, hiking, swimming, and so on. Okay, or dogs or cats, animals, and so on. Okay, eat, sleep, swimming, repeat. Eat, sleep, coffee, repeat. So you can make many changes, many alternatives for this main quote or this main trend. Okay, you can make full coverage of this trend, so greater sales opportunities. Okay, that's awesome. I will give you another example. This current trend, keep calm and go fishing. Here you can use this main root of this quote and you can make alternative for this word, go fishing. Keep calm and go swimming. Okay, keep calm and go hiking, and so on. You can replace this fishing by another hobby, by another sport, and so on. Okay, I will give you some examples like this one. This a current trend nowadays. My cat is my Valentine. Here you can change this cat word by another lovely animal like my dog, my pig, my horse, my book, my coffee, my bed. Okay, so you can change this main word and you can keep this root quote. Here you can expect what will be new in this trend, and people are searching for some alternatives that actually suit them, and people love trends and imitate each other's. Okay, that's awesome. And in the same way, you can make a full coverage for any specific niche by making cross niching. And cross niche means you can combine two or more big niches in one design. Like yoga and cats, that's all I need. Nurse and coffee, cats and summer, and so on. Okay, so if you want to go specific for a certain big niche, you can add another niche in this one design. Like if you want a yoga niche, okay, you can add a list of beverages or drinkings like yoga and wine, yoga and vodka, yoga and beer, and so on. You can add another list about animals like yoga and cats, yoga and dogs, yoga and cows, and so on. You can add another list of professions and jobs like yoga and nurses, yoga and mechanic, yoga and engineer, and so on. So you can make a full coverage of this specific niche that was a yoga with cross niching with another big niche, okay, as I said before. Okay, and also you can make domination on any specific sub niche or micro niche. So if you wanna go specific for the sub niche of the big niche of dog, which means you can make designs about the different dog types. And of course, I have discussed before about this stunning sub niche and how profitable it really is, and I will leave the link of this video below in the description box. Okay, so as an example, you can make a design about I love my Pernese dog. So you can make any alternatives about this dog types, like I love my husky, I love my golden retriever, I love my bulldog, and so on. Okay, and I hope you get the main idea in this video and the main strategy today. And now, what are the tools that would help you in this? And the first tool today is topbubbleindex.com. topbubbleindex.com. And during this great site, you will find many features you can take benefit of them in your work on print-on-demand business. Like for redbubble.com, you will find Redbubble keyword research, Redbubble tag generator, and the same on Etsy.com, like keyword research and tag generator. Okay, but regarding our today's strategy, let's go down a little to this section of design tools. Okay, so click over that design editor, super easy. Okay, and go firstly to this section of dimensions. Okay, and here you can choose your favorite dimensions of your design. Okay, from that, or you can go down a little to this custom yours. Okay, and quickly you can choose randomly this all other apparel dimensions. Okay, awesome. For section of preview, we can select item for this essential t-shirt like that. Beautiful. And here you can make your designs of cross niching designs, or your sub niches, or your alternatives to your trends. Okay, and if we can use the trend of my cat is my Valentine. Okay, as I said before, you can change this word of cats by another animal, like my dog, my pig, my cow, and so on. Okay, so here you can just click over this text. Okay, and when you select this text, some options open up in the left panel. Okay, like changing this text, like is my Valentine. Super easy. Okay, font, you can change this font. Okay, make it bold like that. You can change this color for this one. Okay, beautiful. Metallic, awesome. Size, you can make it bigger, smaller. Spacing, curvation of this text, arching, stroke pattern. Okay, effects for this text. Okay, position and order and grouping and so on. Okay, beautiful. Make it little down. Awesome. And there is a section of multiple, this one. Okay, click over that. Dynamic text, and here this text we will make alternatives to it, like in our case my cat. Okay, that's awesome. Beautiful. So we can make some alternatives to this word, my cat, my dog, my pig, my horse, any other animal. Okay, beautiful. Go to multiple. Okay, and here in this empty box you can add any alternative you want to make adjustment to this my cat word. This words you can put here on this empty box, just replace this word, okay? Like I will give some example. So I have put some words that will take place this word, my cat, like my dog, my horse, my pig, my pregnancy dog, my coffee, my book, gaming. So would be gaming is my Valentine, okay? And here you will see some modifications and some adjustment to this trend, okay? So click over this generate to generate this design, this new designs with new words. Generate. My dog is my Valentine, my horse is my Valentine, my pig is my Valentine, and so on in all other designs, okay? So you can download all photos with transparent PNG, okay? There's in zip file. And quickly, the second tool today is Mergenformer.com. Okay, and after you sign up to this huge platform, just go to this dashboard of your account and going to this profile picture with your account name. Quickly choose Merge Designer, click over that. Amazing. And here you can choose your favorite product, like t-shirt, favorite color, blue, red, black, anyone. Okay, beautiful. And make your design here. Just start with text. Okay, quickly as possible as I can, like bridge. Amazing. Here. And here you can find some effects to this text. Okay, like the text. You can change this one. My cat. Okay, font size. Okay, letter spacing, line height. Okay, update text. Awesome. We can change the color as well from here, like this one. Beautiful. Okay, just add another text from that, like Anton. Okay, the same way, click edit text. Okay, like beautiful. Another one, edit text quickly. Time. Okay, perfect. As an example, great. And here your design, when going to this section of layers, okay, here your design consists of 3 layers, bridge and 2 Antons. Okay, so if you want to change one of this text as a variable, like in our case my cat, just choose it. Okay, as you see. So go to this section of text variants, this, and upload your variants list. Like as we said before, my dog, my horse, coffee, book, gaming, and so on. Okay, and how to make this list of variants? Just make a list of this text document. Okay, we can write as an example, my dog, my horse, gaming. Just save it. Awesome. Go back to our site, upload variants, new text document. This variation about my dog, my horse, gaming. So this words will replace this word my dog or my cat. Okay, so go to this download option. there will be generated 3 designs. Okay, just okay. Very easy to make this variation to your trend, to your code, your sub niches, to make your cross niches designs, as we said before. And here we reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.